Hiking Mt Hillyer from Rosenita Saddle. Parking at Rosenita Saddle is 31.1 miles from the 210 freeway. It involves driving Angeles Crest Highway to 3-Point Saddle, then driving 2.8 miles to Rosenita Saddle. This is literally right down the road from my previous video for Peak 6178. This is an easy hike. The hike begins. Access via Rosenita Saddle is the easiest way to the peak. The peak is only about a mile from the saddle. Experiencing a very short steep section, to make you feel like you are on a serious hiking adventure. One switchback near the summit plateau. The trail levels out rather nicely on the plateau. There is a nice blend of forest and open spaces. It isn't always flat though. After all, you get to claim a mountain summit when all is said and done. Reaching the long flat summit of Mt Hillyer. This is when the question becomes, where is the true summit? I could just claim victory here, or search for the exact highest point. Being the purist I am, I had to make it official. As the trail bends to the east, there are boulders.
Is this the true summit?
After not finding a register, I moved on. This off the main trail boulder pile looked promising.
Could it be? Not sure.
I turned around here and started heading back toward a high point I was already near. A nice boulder pile is off the trail nearby.
Could this be it?
No register or marker found. A nice 360 though. As far as the trail goes, this spot seemed to be the high point.
Is it here?
There is an official high point out there somewhere. I seem to hit the ones I could see. I'll file this one under, I might have officially been there. So I will declare victory. Meanwhile, it was time to head back. As I learned later, there is an exact spot that is identified. Whatever it takes to make me come back, I would have no complaints. Reapproaching the saddle. Mission accomplished. This rather leisurely hike is recommended for all skill levels. This is classic San Gabriel mountain scenery.